What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today I've got a shop update for you. It should be a fairly short one, so let's go. I wanted to start by taking a quick look at some current projects and letting you guys know what I'm working on. I am currently working on some frames for a drama club production that are basically 2x4 construction. I'm also working on some props and some things like that for another festival coming up later this year. So I'm working on those. I'm also trying to get a few more pens turned and things like that. So more run-of-the-mill usual things like that. So I'm still doing those kind of things, and I'm keeping myself busy with that. This past weekend I went to a craft show. Another bummer. So I'm signed up for a couple more. I'll do those craft shows, but after that I'm honestly not sure if that's going to be the venue for me or not. I guess we'll see what happens. We'll go from there. Looking at my notes, last week I put the video out about my first casting resin experience in the pressure pot. I will have a video of me turning a couple of those blanks next week, so the next video. So if you want to make sure you see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit the bell so you get the notification when I post that video, but that'll be out next week. So that'll be a good one. The next thing I want to talk about are the stickers that I got over the past month. Here we are. We've got Waylight Creations. We have MSA Wood Creation, Mike Atkinson. Mike, your sticker is in the mail if you haven't already got it, but I'm working on it. It's heading your way if you haven't already got it. Donnie Carter over at the Green Woodworker podcast. And Opa's Workshop. Opa also sent me one of his original stickers here. So I want to thank all you guys for the stickers. They are greatly appreciated. Thank you for the sticker swap. If you want to swap stickers, get in touch with me and we'll figure it out. Lastly, I want to give my shout out to the Modern Maker podcast. That's three guys, Ben Ueda, Chris Salamoni, and Mike Montgomery. They all have YouTube channels. I'll link all that in the description. They are currently putting on and hosting a 1 sheet of plywood challenge that they just announced this past week. I don't know that I'll be able to get involved with that, but if you are able, I absolutely encourage you to check that out. So go check out their channels, go check out their challenge, get involved with that. These challenges are a great way to build the community and promote yourself, and it's just a great way to have a lot of good fun. Thanks for hanging out with me on this quick shop update. I know there wasn't a whole lot here, but I believe it was somewhat informative, so hopefully you got something out of it. If you like the videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, comment on my videos. I answer and respond to all my comments. Share the video, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.